Hey you, how's it going? How's it going? So, today I want to talk about past and rewriting it. Did you know you can rewrite your past? I bet you didn't. So check it out. Time is not linear in the way you perceive it. Time is in the moment. Every moment you create time. Time flows from the moment, it flows backwards and it flows forward. So, just as you create the future in the moment right now by imagining it and following the path, same way you create your past by imagining it in the moment and just same thing you do with the future. Basically, you project into the path, into the past, and just imagine it. Imagine it from the moment that you're in right now. Uh, your past will always be defined by your current state. Whatever state of consciousness you're coming from in the moment right now, this moment will define whatever memory you will have. So the same memory that you have from the past, with time, it will transform according to your state of consciousness, according to the state where you're perceiving it from, because you're creating it in the moment. Okay, that's one of the ways to adjust and play with the same memory. But you can also change the memory itself, because all it is just you're imagining a certain thing right now, and then you've been repeating it for so long, and you consider it your past. Okay, you can do the same thing. You can just start rewriting it. Okay, literally rewriting it. For that, all you do is just you sit down and you imagine the different story of your life. Just completely imagine, because it's the same thing as your past right now. You're just just trying to hold on to this, like you're being attached to a certain past right now. But then it is in your power to release it, and you have to understand the point of releasing the past and playing with different pasts and futures is to actually readjust your moment right now. Okay, so if you want to go from this point to have some kind of different future and experience a certain experiences in the moment, you can just adjust your past, and then that past will affect you in a way, because you're creating it in the moment. You see, it's all connected. So in order to rewrite the past, all you gotta do is just keep repeating it to yourself, keep telling your friends, your family, everybody the same story all over again, and it's gonna get ingrained into your brain again, neuron pathways, whatever. But the point is, you're gonna have the new story to stick with. As long as you stick with it, this is going to be your story now, and it's gonna affect your life also. Don't forget about that. Always take it into account, that it will always affect your life. So play with it. Just try little things. Try some small stories. For example, think of something like, oh, okay, I was always going, when I was a kid, I was always going to this boxing school, or I don't know, a karate class or something, right? If you lack confidence, for example, then create this story that you've been going to this school for like so many years, and that's why like you feel so confident now. Just keep telling yourself that story, and keep telling somebody else that story. Just play with it. See how it affects your level of confidence in the moment right now, just because you're playing that story. With this, I just wanted to show you that you can manipulate the past and as much as you can manipulate the future. Time is not linear. Linearity is just a concept. It's just the way you're used to thinking. But if you understand that time does not exist, you can start manipulating it to your advantage. So, enjoy. If you have any questions over there, subscribe. See you soon.